What's up guys? Today I am here with an amazing ROM for Samsung Galaxy J200H. So let's get started.
I give you the very next time you
So at first open your Android device, then go to setting, scroll down and go to about device, then click builder number 7 times to enable developer option. Then in the developer option, enable USB debugging. You should also enable OEM unlocking. Then go to about device and watch model number carefully. This ROM is only for J200H. Download the ROM, link in the description. Copy the download ROM to the SD card. Then power off your Android phone. Then press home button, power button and volume up button at a time to enter TWRP mode. Swipe to enter TWRP mode. To avoid any risk, back up your Android system file. Backup, select storage, SD card. OK. Swipe to backup. I have already backed up my system file. After backupping, then go to wipe, advanced wipe and check the boxes. Don't check microSD card. Swipe to format. Then press home button and go to install. Select storage, micro SD card and Islam ROM. This is our ROM. Swipe to install the ROM. Wait some times. Next. Then choose hard format. I like it. Next. Wait. Press next again. And next to reboot your Android device. Swipe to reboot. My phone is rebooting. I am set up my device. The ROM is look like that. Then go to setting. From there about device, you can see the developer name here. You can find lots of feature in this ROM. I show you something. You can enable ads. This is like S7 or S9. You can add lighting and other feature. You can add contact. There are some apps, the weather report, song and etc. etc. You can adjust your brightness You can also adjust your volume from this aids feature. You can turn on torchlight and other thing. Was the camera is also good. Oh look, the image is very clear. You can root your Android phone. There is a app Super SU, but my Android phone is not rooted. If you root, you can use Super SU apps